programs offer students the opportunity to study abroad in a unique, adventurous, and impact-driven way. With options to earn US or UK academic credit across all destinations and projects, we make it easy to combine education with meaningful international experiences. You need to be at least 15 years of age to participate, but you don't need to be a current student, so academic credit is available to most people. Our curriculum focuses on global citizenship and community engagement, so it applies to all areas of study. Because we offer asynchronous options that can be completed at your own pace, academic credit is even available for one-week programs. For example, a student could enroll in our online global citizenship course and complete the content before, during, or after their time abroad. The curriculum includes readings, videos, quizzes, and assignments, and at the end of the course, the student's eligible for 3 US credits through Warren Wilson College. While the Global Citizenship course is the most popular choice for 1 to 2 week programs, we also offer affordable credit options for longer durations. Students can earn up to 16 US credits or a UK accredited diploma at a fraction of the cost, all while exploring the world. For $5,000 or less, students can complete a full semester's worth of credits over the course of 2 to 3 months in one of 40 destinations worldwide. This includes course and transcript fees, accommodation and meals, and in-country support. We aim to make meaningful travel more accessible to more people, and students can save thousands on tuition through our courses. Academic credit can be earned by an individual or your entire group, and we have courses available if you're interested in guided learning but don't require a transcript. If you'd like to learn more about our academic credit for your students, we're happy to set up a call to discuss what options are the best fit with your goals.